talk about waste management. Waste is anything we throw away, like plastic bottles, papers, and leftover food. If we don't manage it, it can make our surroundings dirty and harm animals. We can help by following three simple steps. First one, reduce. Second one, reuse. Third one, recycle. Remember, throw waste in dustbin. Keep your surroundings